My name is Jari Sotka. I'm an attorney at law and an MBA and the founder of Sotka Legal. Sotka Legal is a boutique business law firm in Helsinki, Finland. I have worked as a lawyer and attorney for more than 25 years now, and always been focusing on demanding assignments for companies and other organizations. My background is both in law and business. I hold law degree from the University of Helsinki and an MBA degree from the Helsinki School of Economics. That combination of legal and commercial education has shaped the way I work. I'm interested not only what is legally possible, but also what is commercially sensible for the client. In terms of specialism, I focus on mainly 5 issues: company and corporate law, mergers and acquisitions and corporate restructuring, contract law, employment law, and dispute resolution. Some insolvency cases I have also taken recently. I advise clients in Finnish and English, and a significant part of my work is with foreign-owned companies operating in Finland or international groups with a Finnish subsidiary. So in short, my practice is strategic business law throughout the company's life cycle, from incorporation to growth, to restructuring, exit, or winding down. Sotka Legal is deliberately a boutique firm. That means a few things I believe are quite valuable for foreign companies and referring lawyers. First, clients get senior level attention. When you instruct Sotka Legal, your matter is handled by an experienced attorney, not pushed down to a large team of juniors. That's important in board matters, restructuring, and disputes, where judgment and experience really matter. Second, we take a strategic, business-driven approach. The whole idea of Sotka Legal is strategic business law across the company's life cycle. I always start from a client's business model, risk profile, and goals, and then build the legal solution around that. Whether we are drafting a shareholders agreement, restructuring a group, or handling a difficult employment case, clients get frank risk assessments, realistic options, and clear recommendations, not long memos. Third, we aim to be practical and predictable. We offer cost-effective advice, give usually estimates of fees, and, where suitable, fixed fee elements. The engagement usually starts with a concise situation assessment, and we keep clients up to date as the matter progresses. Fourth, I have worked quite a lot with the cross-border assignments, and we routinely work in English, draft documents in English, and explain how Finnish law and practice differ from other jurisdictions. Most of my clients are small and medium-sized companies and also mid-sized companies, often owner-managed or family-owned, as well as Finnish subsidiaries of international companies. I also advise investors and management teams in various transactions. On the case side, typical assignments include corporate and governance work, setting up companies and branches, drafting shareholder agreements, supporting boards and general meetings, and handling changes in ownership or group structure. Mergers and reorganizations, advising buyers and sellers in share or business transfers, and also generational successions in family businesses. Commercial contracts, those I draft in Finnish or in English, employment and management matters, managing director and senior executive agreements, cooperation negotiations in Finland, restructuring, redundancies, and also I handle disputes. I represent clients in Finnish courts and arbitration tribunals. And sometimes I also advise in restructuring processes of companies and bankruptcies. Over the years, I have worked with many foreign clients, including companies from Germany, Portugal, UK, Poland, Estonia, Ireland, Turkey, Belgium, etc. For these clients, I have typically handled employment matters, corporate governance issues, and drafting and negotiation commercial agreements under Finnish law or other jurisdictions. So, if you are a foreign company operating in Finland or foreign lawyer with a client entering into Finnish markets, I can act as your local partner for day-to-day corporate contract employment questions and also for larger projects such as acquisitions, restructurings, or disputes. When you have been practicing for more than 25 years, it is difficult to choose just a few highlights, but I can mention some examples that illustrate my work. One important area for me has been a long-term advice to owner-managed and family businesses. I have guided many clients through the entire life cycle of their company, from early growth through raising finance, succession, and eventually exit. Particularly rewarding assignments have been those where we have successfully combined a change of ownership, tax-efficient structuring, and a smooth transition of management responsibilities without disrupting the business. I have also, during these 25 years, working quite a lot with dispute resolution. I have acted in numerous complex commercial disputes in Finnish courts and arbitration. On the transactional side, one publicly noted matter was advising Markkinointi-Instituutti in its acquisition of Raster, which combined two significant Finnish adult education providers. The transaction involved share purchases from several owners and broader restructuring of operations, and also squeeze out of remaining shareholders. And also I have advised MBO transaction of a major engineering company and several smaller share or business sales. In addition, I routinely write on topics such as board liability, managing director agreements, trade secrets, and employment law. There are really two main reasons I decided to join Global Law Experts. First reason is that business today is rarely purely domestic. Even smaller Finnish companies often have suppliers, customers, investors, or operations abroad. By being part of a GLE, I can offer my clients a trusted international network. When a Finnish client needs advice in another jurisdiction, I can help them connect with experts who share similar standards and client service as I do. The second reason is to make it easier for international clients and foreign colleagues to find a reliable, business-oriented contact in Finland. Many of my clients are part of international groups or are foreign companies entering Finnish markets for the first time. Through Global Law Experts and their advisors know that there is a dedicated company law specialist in Helsinki who focuses on corporate contract, employment, restructuring, and dispute matters for businesses. From my perspective, the network is also, hopefully, a platform for collaboration with other lawyers. I enjoy working with foreign counsels, comparing approaches between legal systems, and finding practical solutions in cross-border projects. So, my goal in joining Global Law Expert is simple: to be a useful, pragmatic point of contact in Finland for colleagues and companies around the world, and also to give my own clients easy access to the right expertise wherever their business takes them.